In this video, we're going to take a look at the user ticket system within the Ramp platform by accessibleweb.com. Welcome to the Accessibility Guy channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. One of my favorite abilities of the Ramp platform is the user ticket area. This is a great way for organizations to be able to track all of the different components that they have fixed throughout their website. Now, if you're a part of a larger team, you could actually assign these user tickets to the developers that will then go back and make the updates. In order to get a ticket submitted, a user must first set up a form on their website which can collect public responses on any accessibility issues that are found. The first thing I'm going to do is on the User Tickets tab, I'm going to select New User Ticket. I will then fill out all this information, and we can say something along the lines like, I use JAWS, and I can say that the top menu bar is not letting me navigate to the submission area, or whatever the issue might be. And then we can go ahead and select Create User Ticket, which we then could even create remediation tasks from that user ticket. If I was a manager entering in this user ticket, I might create a new remediation task. And I'm gonna say, we're gonna assign to John, review top level menu for JAWS navigation. We could add different tags. I'm gonna say this is gonna be a screen reader tag. We could add applicable success criteria like focus appearance, and we could even associate it with other user tickets. Let's see, so we can also include the page path, where the status is, and then let's go ahead and create that remediation task. Now, if I go back into my remediation tasks, we have a whole bunch of tickets in here that we can then assign to our developer or to ourselves to go in and make those updates to the website. If I look at the top level remediation task, we now have review top level menu, and then we can come in here and ask questions and say whatever we want. I'm going to say hello world for now. We're going to go ahead and create that question, and then we can go back to the user ticket, and maybe after we went ahead and fixed the error that was occurring, we could come back into the system, change the status from open to on hold or closed. And what is super handy about this is this goes to show the effort that we've been putting into making our site accessible. So if for some reason a lawsuit did come up, we can show that we have been active in making the changes to our website with all of the accessibility needs in place. So this user ticket is very powerful along with the remediation tasks. And if you pair this up with the manual auditing, this could be a total game changer for your company. If you want to try out a free 14-day trial for your organization on the Ramp platform by accessibleweb.com, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you over in the next video.